So the nurse told me there's a stroke alert. They want to stat ABG. So I'm about to head down there right now. Let's go do this. Hey y'all, it's your girl Geraldine. Welcome to my channel. Hi, how you guys doing? How you guys have been? It's been a minute, but I've been thinking about you guys. So currently I'm in a hotel, right? I only work day shift, and my job, they've been really short for night shift for a while now. And after my 2 trips back to back, I said I need to rank up. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna pick a night shift here and there. So today's Saturday. I'm in Georgia. We're expecting this snowstorm, right? So I picked up Sunday night, not knowing we had a storm coming. So, but today's Saturday. It's all gonna make sense, right? It's all gonna make sense. I live in Atlanta, so this is Athens. I work in Athens. So I drove here last night. I stayed in a hotel with my friend because she got a room and she told me to come stay with her. And I was like, you know, since I'm here, why not work Saturday night and Sunday night? And since it's been a minute working night shift, I was like, you know what? I am going to take you guys along with me. I was going to start recording when I was getting ready in the bathroom, but the fan was on and I couldn't turn it off because it automatically turns on with the light when you turn the light on. So, but we're gonna make this work. I am getting ready and I'm about to head out. But yes, you guys are coming to work with me. Night shift edition, period. But anyways, guys, thank you for 100 subscribers. Oh my God, like 100 subscribers. Don't look at my nails, but 100 subscribers. Whoop, 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 whoop. Gotta make a separate video for that because that's a big milestone right there. Period. 100. And thank you for the ones who take their time to write down a comment and like. It really means a lot to me. It keeps me going, honestly. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. And I'm doing this for y'all. I'm doing this for y'all. Let's get ready, y'all. So I already have my scrubs on. Really, I just need to go ahead and I might be staying at the hospital because they're providing rooms for us due to the snowstorm that's coming. So it's expecting to be a really bad storm, really. This is my first time in Georgia, really. Well, I just moved in Georgia back in March of last year. So it'll be my first time experiencing this. So we'll see how that goes. But yeah, let's go. I do have my energy drink. This right here, y'all need to get on the Bloom. Bloom, 0 grams of sugar. So I am all ready. I'm all done, ready to go. I didn't do too much. I just did a little bit of my eyebrows. I packed my stuff. I didn't pack my glue to fix my edges, but they still look okay for now. That's the best I can do right now, okay? But anyway, so I'm working tonight. I'm working tomorrow night. So you guys are coming along with me both nights. Now we're ready. I had to go add a little bit of water to the hair because it was too poofy for me. But I added a little bit of water. I'm running. Listen, I'm running late. Let's go. So I made it to work. I have the floors. I have the whole 4th floors in Pete's. There's nothing currently in Pete's right now, but you never know. So I am gonna go ahead and get started. It's current. I didn't bring my watch with me. I have my phone. It's currently 7:21. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started because it's been a minute since I did night shift. So, but we got this. It should be a smooth night, but you never know. So I did bring my energy drink with me. I'm not gonna drink it right now because I'm full of energy right now. I am ready to take on and do everything. But so we're just gonna see. Whenever I start getting tired, I'll drink my energy drink. But other than that, we're ready to go. So let's go ahead. So first I'm just gonna pull my meds and get started. So I am all done with first rounds. I'm just sitting down here. I'm sitting down here just double checking my chartings. And then like around 10:30, they will start calling me because, you know, at night, our OSA patients, they go under CPAP. We do have trilogies here in the V60, and then some of my patients, they have their own home CPAPs, and some of them with their own home CPAP, they want the RT to come and put the CPAP on them. So I'm just sitting here double checking my charting, like I said, making sure I charted everything, and then just wait on the call so they can call me so I can start putting these patients on CPAP so they can go to sleep. But anyways, first round is done. I went in there and just knock it out. Boom, 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 boom. But we're done. Like I said, I'm just double checking my charting. But anyway, so I'll pick you guys back up. So the nurse called me. There's a stroke alert. They want to stat ABG. So I'm about to head down there right now. Let's go do this. So I got to the room. They no longer wanted an ABG because patient is not in respiratory distress. He's talking fine, statting fine. So doctor said no, they're gonna cancel ABG and focus on the other. Did you just wear me? They said no for the ABG for now, so we shall see. All right, y'all. So it's about that time that I go put my patients on their CPAP so they can sleep. So let's go ahead and do that. Hey y'all, I look so tired, but we made it through night number 1, right? After I put my patients on their CPAP, I did my second rounds. Really, I didn't have much after second rounds to do, so I had like one more treatment because I had one Q4 around the clock. So I give her treatment, but now it's currently 6:29. I'm about to go downstairs to the department so I can give report. But yeah, I'm tired. Don't look at my face, but let's see how tonight's gonna go. So I'm gonna get some rest. It's currently snowing. Like, it's snowing bad out here. I'm trying to see if you guys can see. I don't think you guys can really see because there's ice on the window. But yeah, so it's snowing, so it's giving, I have to stay here. They are providing us rooms and stuff, so I'm gonna give report, do what I gotta do, and get some rest. And I shall see you guys tonight. Bye. Hey y'all, so I am all ready. I got up like around 5:15. It's currently 6:23. It's time for me to go upstairs to clock in. This is where I slept last night. Yeah, this is where I slept last night. I mean, well, yeah, this morning, went out. But tonight is night number 2, right? Tonight's night number 2. We'll see how today goes. So, and like I said, you guys are coming along. So, let's go. All right, y'all already know the drill. My little fanny pack. Someone had the audacity to call my little fanny pack ugly. Is this ugly? No, they just hate me. I'm convinced they just hate me. How you gonna call this little fanny pack ugly? When I got this little fanny pack on, I feel like I can conquer the world. Don't come for me, little fanny pack. Don't come for my little fanny pack. Let's go.